IP Author has a new product line. We call it LAWA, Legal AI Workflow Automation. The LAWA product has a single purpose: to streamline all legal work. It's ambitious, perhaps, but not crazy. Think about it. The world of manufacturing has gone from artisans to Kanban to robots. Legal work has gone from paper to Microsoft Word. There has been very little innovation, streamlining, or standardization. Law firms are still operating like a collection of artisans in the 17th century. Granted, legal work is not the same as tightening screws or assembling a washing machine. But most legal tasks, I would argue, are not more complicated than manufacturing an iPhone. Apple alone ships 250 million iPhones every year. All of the law firms of the world combined handle 250 million matters today. Except the costs. Each iPhone costs about $250 to make on an average. There are very few legal matters that can be handled at that price anywhere in the world. We believe legal work can be done more efficiently. IP Author, with its patent drafting and office action functions, has already demonstrated that. LAWA is expanding the efficiency mantra across many more legal functions. One of those functions is legal billing. Another is contracts. We are also targeting functions such as e-discovery and legal intake and many, many more. We will be sharing more demos, insights, and results of LAWA innovations in the futures, so stay tuned.